Nighttime. Are you saying good morning to Marty? Hi, Marty. Hi. There's my buddy. I got Marty and Morris at my feet. Now to find where Stripe is. All of this weekend time, school time now. This varying time, they're not used to it. There's Ruby. Our LED flood is, one of them is flashing. Kind of annoying. So if you're seeing it on film, it's really happening. And here's Stripe. Thank goodness. Hey, bud. Hi. Plant water time. Good morning. It's early, but everybody's got a good appetite. And it's a Monday morning, and we're all feeling it.
Yeah.
I'll see you in a little bit.
Yeah.
And I'll be ready to go for a walk.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know. I will be. Alright, here's hoping for a trouble-free drive-in this morning. Aggravation-free, frustration-free, all that good stuff. Good morning, Ruby. Ruby says our arrival time is 7:15 a.m. Let's hope it doesn't drop any more on the way. 77 out there right now, doesn't feel too horrible, but we're on our way to a high in the 90s again. I got Johnny dropped off, no problems. Winding my way back out of town. And yes, that was a Model 3 I just passed. So no appointments during the day today, but Johnny does have a dentist appointment after school, and I am gonna have to be like the first car in the pickup line and get the heck out of Dodge to make it down to Angier for his appointment in a timely manner. So yeah, I'm gonna have to hustle today. Hustle, hustle. Seems like that's the story every day. I wanted to reschedule the appointment, and first available was December. Wow, there was no accident or anything, and the traffic is just that backed up now going inbound. I'm glad I'm not stuck in that over there. Very glad. I should get back to the house normal time, go for a walk. All right, I'm back home.
I know, I'm home for a few minutes and I'm back off again, but I'll be back in a little while. You be a good boy, okay? You hold down the fort for me. Be a good boy.
I saw Marty and Stripe on the way in. Don's getting ready to pull Jules out.
Hey, Marty. Good boy. Good boy, Marty.
Yeah, Stripe's over there in his spot by the van. He likes that spot. Aw, you go come run to your mama. It's a good boy. Garage door's fixing to open. You're gonna be startled. They're so cute. Are you that excited about your walk this morning?
Yeah,
okay,
let's do it.
Let's go. Work's heating up on Don this morning.
Yeah.
It's lucky I got him out here to go for the walk today.
Yeah, really. Well, we're working with guys from Europe. They send notes, so when you get on 7 o'clock in the morning, you've already got an inbox full of mail from Europe. So
Yeah, they're ready to go.
Oh, yeah, they've had all morning.
Insta start. I used to do that to Don at IBM though. I'd get to work pre-kids early before he would get to work, and he'd come in and sometimes he wouldn't have coffee before he'd get to IBM. And he'd come in and I'd be need you to do this, do that. Yep. He's like, can I just have a sip of coffee? I'm like, no, I got emergencies. I need you doing stuff. Get going.
Exactly.
Well, it's trash day in this neighborhood over there, and this trash has obviously accidentally come off the trash truck.
Yeah, the truck, the light stuff blows off.
Yeah, it's almost more than we can pick up. If we'd have seen it coming up the road, we got bags in the car, we would have brought bags. My hands are pretty full, that's why Don's grabbing the rest of this. Well, after losing some time picking up trash, we're making time up the trail. It feels great in the shade, but in the sun you can tell that it's working its way up to be another hot day here in the North Carolina jungle. I always feel like we're in the jungle over here where all this kudzu is so thick. Yeah. It's like this little tiny path in the middle of the jungle. Yeah. Hey, shoo! Yep, it's mow grass Monday. All right, this is the first time around. Whew! They're out there getting the ball fields prepped too. There's a guy dragging one, and this guy over here raking the other. They must be playing tonight. We're not due for rain until Wednesday, so working on it this morning shouldn't be a waste of time. Alright, this is the start of number 2. At least there's only 1 or 2 vehicles moving out here today on the lawn stuff, and not 4 or 5. Yeah. That's when it really gets noisy. I saw the crew at Moore Square this morning with the unplugged trailer. They were out there doing the grass. They're out there a lot. That's like the showpiece downtown park, so they keep it very tidy, whether they're just picking up trash and blowing the sidewalks or they're actually cutting the grass. See, he's out there with the dragging the chain behind it, making it all smooth. You know what they say, third time's a charm. I'm just letting my feet carry me around at this point, hoping for cooler days. A good bit of half of the track's in the shade this time of day.
Yeah, it could be worse.
Yeah, it could certainly be worse. Can we just stay here in the shade where it feels decent? Please?
Yeah, well, that's the thing about my run. All the way up that hill and across the other, it's all out in the sun. Then the last bit down the driveway obviously is shady.
Yeah. It's a little bird. I don't know what that was. Oh, they're liking this beautyberry, although this is a cultivated variety. And I can't tell what that bird was, but it was tiny and not something I'm used to seeing in our yard.
All right, 5,718 steps, 50 minutes, 6 seconds, 1905 per mile.
Okay.
Not bad at all.
Not too bad.
Because it's hot. Yeah.
Yeah, I was telling Don, I feel like I'm missing just a little zip in my step this morning.
Yeah, me too. I am. All right. So I guess I'm going to go
run to the house.
Run to the house. Get her done. Woo. All right. Kiss, kiss.
Kiss, kiss. I'm going to pick back up where I left off yesterday, and it's time to put the windows and the doors in. It's going on 12:30, and I'm going to stop for now. I did get the 5 windows in. I've got about half of the stairs constructed. The 2 interior doors are installed. The chimney's as high as it goes for this second floor. The bow window here, the curved windows are mostly done. I'll have some more 1x4s this coming today, so I can finish that up. Oh, it's coming along quite nicely. I skipped over this balcony door because I need some parts that are coming, and I skipped over the wall here in the bathroom again, same sort of reason. I've got some 1x6s and 1x4s coming, and that's just it's the right thing to do, to wait for them and not use 1x2s. So it's coming along nicely. I've got the bathroom furniture and the bed and a dresser and maybe a bookshelf or something. There's more furniture, so it's coming along, but there's still lots more to do too. It's going on 1:20, and I'm headed to pick Johnny up. I got to get him to Andrew today by 3 for a dentist appointment. The earliest I'm allowed in there to pick him up is 2. It's going to be cutting it close, but that's the best I can do. Usually at this, they leave us sitting in the lobby for 45 minutes. Let today not be the day where they're like super right on time or ahead of time. So I can do the best I can do. I tried to reschedule it. They wanted to move it to December, and that's not going to work. So another day, another lane closure over here by Wake Tech and the 540 Beltline expansion. Not sure what they're doing, but I don't think that bodes very well if they're going to start doing stuff in the center here. Some sort of drainage across the road, I guess. These poor people in their houses over here. Really feel for them. I know they did the best they could to decide exactly where to put this with the least impact and not run up cost too much, and they got a lot of factors to consider, but there certainly are a few homes along the way that are being impacted negatively. Such a clear afternoon, just a few puffs of cloud in the sky. I'm still on target to get over to the school at 2. Hopefully I can make as good a time coming back out of town. Get Johnny loaded up quick. Mom's taxi can get where it's supposed to be. Well, everything worked out as good as it possibly could picking Johnny up. I had him in the car just a couple minutes after 2, and Ruby says we'll be down to the dentist at 2:45 p.m. That's a 15-minute cushion, so that's good. And yeah, so we even have a little room for merging delays or whatever going through the construction zone. So I'm quite relieved that we're on time, even a little ahead. So we had to merge left to go past Costco, and now we're being told we need to merge right to go past Wake Tech. Oh Oh, this is just too much out here. It's nuts. It's crazy. Well, hopefully I'll be able to get right. Well, I did get right. I didn't realize when I came through earlier that there was the interior lanes were closed in both directions. Whatever they're doing there in the center with that drainage. Well, I'm sure this is going to be a good thing for Wake Tech with their growth and expansion. There's one up near, well, there's one up in North Raleigh near my chiropractor, and that one's right off the belt line too. That's a good thing, because sometimes people have to travel between locations in the same county, but they're not that close. So hopping on the belt line to travel from campus to campus, I'm sure, is a good thing, having that ability. Wow, is it hot? Let me tell you. Hot, hot, hot.
We're home and you've left your office. I want to spend time with Tux and Stripe and Morris and Marty.
All those skeeters out
And there's so many mosquitoes. I can barely put the food down and they're trying to bite me.
That's right. I'm wearing long pants because when I went outside a while ago, I was attacked. So I just, I don't know how you people.
Yeah, it's just really bad out there right now. I miss my kitties.
I'm so sorry.